Mistake number 1. German red mercury is only manufactured in Germany by roteschemies.de or acta-gmbh.de. Since 1992, there have been many scientific proofs that red mercury is manufactured only in Germany. It appears in many verified chemical databases. Scientists worldwide and gold mining companies often use it to mine gold in several tons each year. Mistake number 2. Never buy from retailers. Retailers use colored dyes, mercury sulfide, or even food coloring in vials to fake red mercury. They make it look exotic, radioactive, even, but it's all staged. The color doesn't prove anything. Mistake number 3. Paying to a retailer is never an option. Most red mercury sales are only through a manufacturer in Germany. Once you order your red mercury in 1 kilogram or 34.5 kilogram bottles, the manufacturer always ships your product on time. This is the safest means. Mistake number 4. Underestimating the legal consequences. Buying or trading red mercury from a retailer can trigger suspicion from authorities. You are legally advised to buy only from a manufacturer such as acta-gmbh.de, because it is safe and guaranteed. Let's be clear, German red mercury is the best chemical for gold mining. Many South American countries have produced tons of gold with it for many decades. Buy only from a manufacturer, never from a retailer. Stay informed. Subscribe for more gold mining videos and protect yourself from scams that sound too good to be true.